Hi kids, I'm Zookeeper Zipp, and this is our awesome dinosaur show. As always, I have my best friend Bruno with me. Say hi, Bruno. Hi, Bruno. Today's dinosaur is awesome. It's a Deinonychus. Let's use the time simulator and see what they look like. Looks hungry. They probably are, Bruno. The Deinonychus lived in the late Cretaceous period in North America. Fossils were found in Montana. He's cool. So cool, Bruno. The word Deinonychus means terrible claw. Ouch. They used those sharp claws to catch food. The Deinonychus was a carnivore. They had very sharp teeth, with a bite as strong as a crocodile. They were about 5 feet, or 1.5 meters tall, and 10 feet, or 3 meters long. They weighed about 180 pounds. The Deinonychus was bipedal, which means they walk on 2 feet. They also had pretty big brains for their size. He's coming. The T-Rex is back. Let's get out of here, Bruno. He's going to catch us one of these days, Bruno. Hope not. Okay, kids, that ends today's show. But we'll be back next week with more dinosaurs and more learning fun. Say bye, Bruno. Bye, Bruno.